Hello everyone, welcome to this series on word of the day, and each day we will bring before you a word. We will talk about the origin of the word and the meaning of the word and the way it is used in sentences, and also we will take a few antonyms and synonyms of the word. The idea is to give you more than 10 to 15 words per day. So if you have a look at the word, today's word is embroil, and as we see at the top, the word embroil dates back to almost 1600, and it means to throw into disorder, and it comes from the French word embrouiller, and it means entangle, confused, or embroil. I mean, this is what basically the meaning is, and it means to throw into disorder. The modern meaning is slightly different. It says to cause someone to become involved in an argument or a difficult situation. So the meaning of the word embroil is to cause someone to become involved in an argument or a difficult situation. So the word embroil is always used to mention in. So you are always embroiled in something. For instance, if you have a look at the sentence here, it says she had no desire to embroil herself in lengthy lawsuits with the tabloid newspapers. So she had no desire to embroil herself in something. And what is that in something? Lengthy lawsuits, right? And the second sentence says the United Nations was reluctant to get its forces embroiled in civil war. So if you look at the connotation of the word, the embroil word is always used in a negative sense, in the sense that you are involved in something, but that something is always undesirable. And that is how the word that is how the negativity creeps into the word. So she had no desire to embroil herself in lengthy lawsuits. The United Nations was reluctant to get its forces embroiled in civil war. So in both the cases, we see the negativity in the sentences. So when I say you are embroiled in something, that something has to be negative or undesirable, right? Let's go and take some of the synonyms of the word embroil, right? So if we go here, we see the synonyms of the word embroil, and on the left hand side you see the stronger synonyms. That means the words which are very close to embroil. And here you have a remote synonym, in the sense that they may not be exactly synonymous but somewhat similar to embroil. So the close synonyms of the word embroil are enmesh, ensnare, entangle, implicate, to involve, mire, or tangle. But again, involve is not bringing that connotation of negativity. Entangle definitely means to get, to get stuck in something very badly. That's why it has the negative connotation. Even enmesh has that negative connotation, and even ensnare has that negative connotation. Implicate also is used with respect to crime or with some kind of criminal activity. So these are the very close synonyms of the word embroiled, and if you go ahead, you will find there are words like confound, confuse, disorder, disturb, disunite, but these are a little remote synonyms, not very close. So these are some of the words that are synonymous to embroil, and now we can take some of the antonyms. So here we have the antonyms for the word embroil, and as we know, the word embroil means to get involved in something which is undesirable, particularly some kind of disagreement, or some kind of dispute. So if embroil means getting involved in something negative, the opposite of it could be exclude, or to be free, or to be untwisted, or to be untangled, right? This is to come out of some kind of thing is known as untangling, right? So to aid, to arrange, to enlighten. So these are some of the close synonyms of, antonyms of the word embroiled, and these are some remote antonyms of the word embroil. So the close antonyms are exclude, to free, to untangle, to untwist, to aid, to arrange, and the remote antonyms are to assist, to calm, to clarify, to clear up, to comfort, to enlighten. So we have seen so many words that are connected to or related to embroil, either in the synonymous way or in the antonymous way, and we have seen a few examples as well. If you have liked this video, people, I would want you to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell icon, so that you can get the updates whenever we upload such kind of videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you.